Dr. J had to give a professional lecture on Tuesday morning in a distant city. Thursday, he lay awake for a while for planning what needed to be done before he left. Friday, he did the errands, like picking up his tickets. And his appointments with patients were not as productive. He slept early to wake up and work on Saturday to make up for lost time. Saturday evening was also distracting because of the plans for packing. Sunday was not relaxing as well, as he had to pack, so he got home early from the beach. Monday he took the plane, and Tuesday morning he delivered the lecture and returned back home. In summary, in order for Dr. J to deliver a 1 hour lecture, he, his family, and his patients were tensed up for several days in advance, which was enough to affect their behavior perceptibly. This is called reach back. The remedy for reach back is to arrange one's time as far as possible so that planning and preparation. The remedy for reach back is to arrange one's time as far as possible so that planning and preparation can be carried out without disturbing the normal patterns of behavior. Similarly, we are also going to look at another concept called afterburn in the next episode.